Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae singer Savannah appeared in the Westmoreland Parish Court on Tuesday for a preliminary hearing relating to a charge of causing death by dangerous driving. The Indignation Collective artist was reportedly travelling along the Scott Cove Main Road in White House on May 25 when the Honda City motorcar she was driving collided with a Honda Fit going in the opposite direction. The passenger in the Honda Fit sustained severe injuries and later died at the Black River Hospital on May 30. Savannah was subsequently charged on June 1. The Mango singer will next appear in court on November 23. Savannah is part of Protege's management and label Indignation Collective and is best known for the single Nobody Man, Mango, If You Only Knew, among others. In 2020, she dropped her first EP, Be Somebody. Incarcerated dancehall star Tommy Lee Sparta has announced his upcoming album titled Transition. Yesterday, a post was made to the DJ's Instagram with his preview of the aptly titled final track, Sayonara.
We are the talk of the town and we everybody just a free. Tell them about this part of the natural panty and me. We are do it big.
In another post, Tommy Lee unveiled the album's tracklist and cover while teasing the audio from Talk of the Town, which features Stylo G. Transition will feature 26 new songs and boasts collaborations with dancehall artists Chronic Law, Skillibang, Javelani, among others. Transition will be Tommy Lee Sparta's 10th full-length project and will be released November 5. The project follows his 2019 release dubbed Reincarnation. Tommy Lee is serving 3 years in prison after pleading guilty to illegal possession of gun and ammo in March 2021. Dancehall artist Shensia and Trinidadian soca star Kerwin Dubois have teamed up on a song called Can You Feel It? The track also features American record producer DJ Khaled and is part of Carib Brewery's celebration of their 70th year anniversary.
It's a celebration, like we celebrating, sunshine in every step with every sip we take it.
Feel the rhythm, escape to paradise.
The song was written and produced by Kerwin Dubois and Christopher Leacock, a former member of the electronic music group Major Lazer. The video already has 185,000 views on YouTube and has been getting positive feedback from local and international fans. I am Daedran reporting for E Prime.